Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle sum of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is any closed plane shape that contains four straight sides and four angles. Like the triangle, it is very important in geometry. In this video, we will discover that the four angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So here's a quadrilateral. It has the four straight sides and it has the four angles. Now these dotted lines represent where we cut with the scissors. So pretend, if you like, that that's a sheet of paper and we've drawn the quadrilateral. So cut each of the four angles out along those dotted lines, just like that. What we do then is the following. So I've explained that here in this text. Cut out each angle along each dotted line, place them side by side, and notice that they form a circle. So when you place the angles, the four of them, side by side, see how they form a circle. We saw in a previous video that a circle forms an angle of 360 degrees. In later years, we will use more sophisticated methods to show that the four angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So let's have a look at a few examples on the next slide. So the first example is asking us to find x, that is the unknown angle, and we have to remember the rule that we saw on the previous slide. So we have x, 100 degrees, 95 degrees and 60 degrees. Using the rule on the previous slide, we can form this equation. So those four angles add up to 360 degrees. So when you add those three up, you have 255 degrees. So x plus 255 degrees equals 360 degrees. So x equals 105 degrees. For example 2, this is a little bit different. We still have to find x, so here we have x and 2x. But when we find x, we can also find that value there. So using the same rule, we add the four angles together, and there they are, and that gives us 360 degrees. X plus 2x is 3x. 80 plus 70 is 150 degrees. So 3x plus 150 degrees gives us 360 degrees. So 3x equals 210 degrees. Remember, all you do is just subtract 150 from both sides. And to go from there to there, just divide both sides by 3. So x gives you 70 degrees. So if you found that this angle here is 70 degrees, then just double this, so 2 times 70, that gives you 140. And that gives you that those four angles there add up to 360 degrees. So this video has introduced us to the shape which is called the quadrilateral, and we've seen how when we add the four angles of a quadrilateral together, we end up with 360 degrees.